na nyenzire ngumba muri kiro ebitwakozire omungenderaho ekyo kubanza tukatandika na kiba kweta field demarcation of constituencies and electoral areas and reorganizations of polling stations lekanchi vunule okutaho emyatano kugira ngo tumurikire ihanga emanye emyanya eyo kwesimbaho onchengera matini orabuli yaho obulire ngo ngo hati Mbarara hazayo endijo constituency ngo Mbarara East, Mbarara West, Mbarara North. So ejo exercise eretaga ejo myanya eyo kwesimba munarishi eyo kujwekera abantu tugiyetaga demarcation okushatura mu mbwenu
okutaho cyaro.
Aha. So aza nakalimo kahangu aza kine amataji aga abiri. Parliament niyo kubanza yakora ki omukiraje baketa ngo prescription. Parliament niyo obugabe kugira ngo hatiya ogumwanyo gushitamimu tayari West TV is going to be a constituency. Onyine?
Queen.
Then baheza ku prescribing ninga baheza ku okusharamu ngo tayari West niza kuba a constituency ebihandiko babiyohereza owa electoral commission equata its cartographic teams bakora something called demarcation. Ati demarcation no kuhamya ejo myatano ekurugo mu parliament wanchenga akachiko tikoka kubanza parliament niyo kubanza yakora ki yashaturamu kutu haza no mu local government nayo nitukora ki nitukora the same thing obuli yaho obulirango ati noshwa omuli ntunga mwokwe nihenda kurugayo district toka horaga engambo nkezo so ni kibani kikwereka ngo obwiro bwinji kutuba kutuza mu karuru hijaho ekiganiro ekikukwatana nakora ki demarcation and demarcation is so political. There are many reasons why these places come about. People lobby for them abamene bamanya kubishaba ningo ubundi government nereba ngo okwempaho obuhereza tibu kahikireyo
abahango
leka tubahereze kugira ngo bekore makalimo. So ejo ni demarcation wachetegereza sebo hati koko heza kushaturamu nashi koko heza kumurikira ihanga emyatano eri munama gomborana nemiruka itekani kugira ngo buri muruka gushemera kuba gwine at least a polling station tokataho umuruka gukeshanga gutina kuterera karubu
muruka gwona
okushanga umuruka gwona gutine a polling station. So buli jo bwena kumura hulira ngo hijaho nka constituency ensia na rishi district ensia itwe kishanga twina kalimo kokora. So tuzo mu bantu tukora ekikweta reorganization of polling stations to first of all ensure ngo every parish in Uganda has a what? A polling station.